What are we doing now?
Tell everyone what you just said.
I finally pooped in her bed.
Yep. She, shit the bed, guys. Shit the bed.
They smeared some on her back.
Yeah, that's a fucking lie. It's more like my face. I'm so ashamed to be your friend right now. Stop gyrating. Who's the most handsome prince?
You.
Tell everyone about Noah.
No, stop it.
No, make the Noah sounds.
I don't know how. I haven't seen Noah in like 5 years. All I think about is the Big Apple and Noah.
Ka-cha! Great!
You just stop it.
Stop!
Oh my god. Remember when he used to like creep on the top of the stairs?
How could I forget?
Go away, Noah.
When Noah pulled a piece of shit out of his pants and threw it at my brothers. I love you, Noah. Don't ever let go.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he's like a year older than us.
No, he died.